To get sticker suggestion when you are typing in a specific app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to enable suggest sticker feature for that app. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find general management. Tap general management. Tap Samsung keyboard setting. Next, tap suggest stickers while typing. Tap manage app. And then select the desired app where you want to receive sticker suggestion while typing. As the example, we will enable sticker suggestion for WhatsApp. To do so, tap the gray on off switch next to WhatsApp until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how this feature works, tag someone on WhatsApp. You can see that as you are typing, your phone will show suggest a sticker based on the words you are typing. You can tap the desired sticker to remove the word you typed it. And then tap send button to send the sticker. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.